Hello everyone, welcome back to Nick's Happy Place. Today I am super excited to tell you about Dairy Queen's new Red Velvet Cake Blizzard. Look at that. Yay! I'm always terrified to do that. I'm afraid it's going to plop out. I'm surprised it didn't. With my luck, the thing would have landed right down on my lap. But it didn't. So, but here's what we got here. Red Velvet Cake blended into a Blizzard. You don't see any real big chunks of stuff in there. It doesn't mean it's not hiding there, but a nice pretty pink color here for Valentine's Day for the month of November. This is the monthly Blizzard. It is a small size here with the tax. I don't know what it was normally, but with the tax is $5.50 for this little guy here. But even though these are small, when you look at it, it's like, oh, that doesn't look that big. But once you start tackling one of these, there's a lot in there. It does, yeah. I wouldn't want to attempt to do a large one of these. I don't think my sugar intake would be quite increased if I did that. But anyways, let's just dive on in. Red Velvet Cake Blizzard from Dairy Queen going in. Not bad. I got a little actual piece of cake in that one. Like a little chunk of it actually. Not bad. I mean, it's I'm trying to put my thoughts my thoughts into words here as I try to concoct a description of this. The cake pieces are in there, although I'm not getting a lot of flavor off of the cake pieces. Like, it's not like. But again, they are just the cake itself, of course. An old regular cake without the frosting and that stuff doesn't always exactly pack a punch of flavor. But it's just not really hitting with me here. It's not slapping like it should. Hey, a little new lingo. See, I'm youthful. Slapping. It doesn't kick like I expected it to. Yeah, but anyways, the flavor of the cake isn't like jumping out at me and going boom, hitting you. Just kind of okay, honestly. I was expecting I was excited. I was expecting a little bit more from this, but they're just kind of okay. I mean, I'm enjoying it. And maybe I'm just really missing the red velvet there because it's like a. I'm not really sure what to say. I'm kind of at a loss for words on this one. It's flavor-wise. I mean, I guess it does have. I guess some of the red velvet flavor is kind of coming through, but it's not like a strong punch in the face kind of flavor. Kind of subtly there in a texture of the cake. I mean, I'd rather go with like a brownie blizzard or something over this. Just kind of average, just kind of mid. See, I'm hip, ain't I? Oh, just trying to make you guys laugh a little bit there. That's not how I talk, but but as far as it's just kind of okay. I mean, I suppose I ain't gonna focus because I don't got a backdrop for it. I mean, the cake pieces themselves are just. Yeah, just, I mean, it's not horrible, but I was just expecting a little bit more. I was expecting a little more flavor to come through here. But maybe that's just me. I mean, yeah, it does, it does taste, but I was expecting more of an experience of red velvet here. And the texture of the cake, I'm not really a fan of either. yeah. As far as my final thoughts on this goes, it's okay. I mean, if you want to try something different, I can't say I recommend it. I'm just not that impressed with it. I was hoping for more. In saying that, as far as giving this a score, I would give this. I'll give it like a 7.7. That's what the Red Velvet Cake Blizzard gets from me. Like I said, I hope for more. Little letdown. I mean, some of you may like this. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you've had it already and you think it's amazing and awesome, and I'm crazy for what I'm saying. Let me know that. Sometimes I can be wrong. You know, my taste palette and what I like comes across differently than what you guys may like. You guys may love this, but for me, it's just kind of okay. Just middle of the road there. I was hoping for a little more, honestly. Will I finish this? Of course. But I was hoping for a little more of experience. Okay, I'm not going to keep repeating myself, so I'm just going to let you guys go. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. Just came out for the month of November for Valentine's Day, I'm assuming. So other than that, have a great day, everyone. Thank you all for the support. I appreciate all the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. And everybody, have a great day. Thanks.